Today we are going to see how with the help of ChatGPT, we can insert a set of elements into an Excel sheet with the help of VBA script. Okay, VBA script means everyone are getting scared that I am not aware of the coding. So when ChatGPT is there, it will take care of all the required codings. Okay, so now let's enter into the work.
और जनाब तुम्हारा तो प्रमोशन हो गया है, क्या चल रहा है?
मेरा तो चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल चल रहा है।
ये यूज करके तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो गया है?
हाँ,
मुझे भी सिखा सकते हो?
एब्सोल्युटली आई कैन।
Okay, so I am opening the ChatGPT. Okay, this is the ChatGPT part. I am going to give a command. Okay, like I want to insert A to Z in an Excel sheet in column A. Okay, with the help of VBA script. Okay, even I don't know VBA script. Since I am going to execute or I'm in my day-to-day life, I will be using Microsoft Excel. I need to know about VBA script. But when ChatGPT is there, I need not to worry. Okay, guys, let's enter. I am going to give the prompt. Okay, here. Okay, so how I can do? Add the elements in Excel sheet from A to Z in column A. Okay, because we need to column A with the help of VBA script. Okay, I know only little about VBA script. Okay, if you ask me basic questions, I may answer. But if you're asking advanced topics, I may again need to ask the same question to ChatGPT. Okay, so when ChatGPT is there and other AI tools are there, our life is smooth. Okay, so I have given, if you want to populate the cells in column A of an Excel sheet with the letters A to Z using VBA script. Okay, so it's giving all the options. Okay, so it is giving the code also. Okay. Yes, so it is giving first to open your Excel sheet and like press Alt plus F1 plus and okay. Anyway, we'll go step by step. Okay, here is our Excel sheet. Okay, I'm going to column A. Okay, and I'm going to press Alt F11. Okay, that's the part they're telling here, right? Alt plus, so that why it the VB editor will open. Okay, yeah, Alt F1. Okay, so I'm creating one more new. Okay, so this it has come. Alt VB editor. Insert a new new module by right clicking on any existing module and plus. Okay, so I'm going here. And okay, so I have the left pane, I have inserted the module has come. Okay, and before that, okay, when we are entering into it, an important update. Okay, so as you all aware, okay, that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs. Okay, like millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Yeah, so well, AI won't replace you, but the person using the AI will replace your job. Okay, so if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Okay, make your future secure with us. And join our workshop by clicking the link in the below description. Now, okay, if you want to know further about this, I am just showing you. Okay, here is this is the B10X program over here. Okay, log into https://b10x.in. Our workshops are here. Click this, our workshops. Okay, you can see master, chat GPT, MS Office, and this, like you can see, yes, yeah, you can see over here. Okay, learn to use AI tools and chat GPT. This is the program they have given, like create any kind of presentation. So these are the details So I would request you not to miss it. Okay. You can see the testimonials over here and why you need to join this course. All the details are here. Okay. So don't miss it, guys. Now let's go to our coding part. Okay. So I'm going here. Okay. So now I will copy this code. So you don't worry about this because this has been derived from ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT will take care of all the things. If you want to know further, copy this code, add it into the ChatGPT. It will give you the explanation if you ask. So I am copying it, taking over here. Okay. So I have just added it. Okay. Like a 65 to 90 and A to Z. Okay. And then what it is telling, actually close the VB editor. Okay. So I have over here and then I'm closing the VB editor. Okay. Now it's telling press Alt plus F8 in the Excel to open the macro to select add element from A to Z and click run. Okay. So as per suggested, I'm pressing the Alt F8. Okay. And like I'm pressing this. Okay. Yeah. Boom. See how we got the information. With the help of VBA. All the elements have been added, right? Whatever I asked for A to Z. Okay. So that is the advantage of this ChatGPT, right? Why this VBA script means in case if you are working with Excel, okay, in your day-to-day operations, you may need to execute macros and you may need to execute these type of functions. So at that time, this VBA script will be useful for you because you need to do automation. Okay, so don't think by looking at the VBA script and by the command. Okay, for example, here is the command, right? I am not aware about this loops or what is this ASCII stands for. Even I am not aware. I can understand, but if you directly ask me, I may not be able to answer this. But our ChatGPT is giving you all the set of answers and solutions. So use this thing and definitely it will help you. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoy this session. See you again in the next session. Take care, guys. Bye bye.